Hello, lovely speech therapy professionals. If you're a newer SLP and you've ever thought, wait, I know what a clinical swallowing evaluation is, but not exactly how to do one, you're not alone. And that's exactly why we're hosting our first ever live webinar all about exactly how to do a clinical swallowing evaluation. So we'll walk through the process step by step, talk about what to look for, why each part matters, and how to feel confident in your clinical reasoning. And you'll also get a chance to earn ASHA CEUs, which helps you stay current in your license. So this is the first time we've ever offered live CEUs. We wanted to make it something that's genuinely helpful, not overwhelming, not boring, definitely not full of jargon, just real guidance, real examples, and a safe space to learn and ask questions. It'll be hosted by me and my colleague, Alisha Kleindelk. We're both instructors and professors at university, and we love working with newer SLPs. So if that sounds like something you're looking for, I'd love for you to join us and save your spot. I hope to see you at the webinar.